fish, Fox, 100%. Like a 2.5, maybe not that big. Fox over the catfishing. I thought I was snagged, and I got a football on. She's probably not 2. She's fat. I got a little tiny hook on. I don't want to bend it out. We're just gonna have to try and flip her, I think. That's my best bet. I'll try and grab her down here. Come on. I had her. Got her. It's a nice one. Really nice fish. Venom dewdrop right in the corner of the mouth. Really nice fish. Probably, I'll say she's 2. Scales all the way right there in the corner of Fox. I'm gonna need a picture of that Venom dewdrop in there. And we'll get her out, get her released. Let's go just like that. Got it. I'm gonna get a selfie. Hook out real quick. Right in the corner. Get a selfie with her. Alright. Alright, I got a couple pictures of her. So again, about a 2. Get her right here. Keep as I can out. Try to get loosen this up so you guys can see. Back she goes. Second one of the day. This one's tiny. Second one of the day on dewdrop though. Fox are still catfishing. I'm gonna head over with him in a minute. Thought I'd finish the spot out. Nothing like the first one. Fox is getting messed up by catfish over there. Oh, I had to hook out. Slid it back in. Hooks out. Black Venom dewdrop worm. Straight black. Number 2. There she goes. I went back to go check on Fox a little bit. Wow. I think the worm might be bigger than this bass. Another one. Third one with Venom dewdrop. Big baits, big fish. I want to say the worm's like 4, maybe 5 inches. So I'll say that bass is like 8 inches. Probably was more like 6 or 7. What do you think, Fox? True giants. That was a dink. Fox and I decided to move spots. Number 4 on the dewdrop. Straight black. Dink. Second biggest one of the day. It's long and skinny. There's a bunch of fish in this little marina. Not even a marina. I don't even know what is it. I don't know. Alright. I'm going to try and toss him back as soft as possible. Get him as low to the water as I can. There he goes. Hooked up with another one. Decent. About the same size as the last one, actually. Fox and I went to Walmart. Went to put our rods in the truck so they didn't get stolen. And I decided to lock my keys in, so Dad had to come to the rescue. While we were there, I decided to go in. Got these hooks. I thought they were straight shank. They got a bend in them. They're supposed to be spiral worm hooks. Number 1 on them. Tried to toss them in here, not to scare Fox's fish away. Nice and low. Back he goes. Hooked up with number 6 of the day. Biggest one I've caught out of here so far. Hooked into it, at least. Fox, another fish right behind it, Cast. Reel me, cast. Bring it in just a little bit. Reel it. Drop it. He's right behind you. Alrighty. Number 6. Let's see if Fox and I can't double up here. Work it nice and slow. I don't see the fish. I think it's spooked. Number 6 of the day. Second one on these little, I don't know, rolly hooks or whatever you want to call them. Back it goes.